Hey guys, welcome to your writing lesson today. Um, what you have in your materials is a packet that looks like this. It says September Writing. Go ahead and write your name right there on the front. You're not going to need these other things quite yet. You have a plastic sheet with a couple pieces of construction paper in there. You're just going to write your name on the front of this packet, and then you're going to open up to the first page. Um, This is what your page looks like. This is a bigger version of the same thing that you're doing. So I'm going to do mine up here on the chart paper, and you guys are going to follow along with me. Okay, so what we're going to do today is that we're going to learn how to write our ideas and thoughts down on paper. I have a thought in my head, and I want to put it on paper so you can see my idea. Okay, we want to keep track of our writing. Writing is an extremely important part of first grade. It can be extremely challenging. But my best advice to you is to be open minded as much as possible. If you get frustrated, take a break. That's okay. And then come back to it. Writing can be really, really fun. It just takes a lot of practice to get to the point where it feels fun and comfortable again. So be very strong. First thing you want to do, write your name at the top of your paper. That's my name. Also, we are practicing writing the date. Today is 9/9/2020. Okay? I want you also to focus on using the writing line from the top to the bottom, not above, not below. If you make a mistake, please erase it. And you should always be using pencil when you're doing these things so that you can erase any mistakes that you make. Always start with pencil. If you want to do it, do your writing work. If you want it to be in pen, you can always go over it in pen later on. All right, so I'm just going to start drawing something, and I want you to try to guess and see if you can figure out what it is. Okay. And this is not a competition to see how well you can draw. This is just a fun activity. Draw to the best of your ability. I'm not an expert drawer, but hopefully by now you are kind of figuring out what it is that I'm drawing here. Okay? So there you have it. That's right, it's a cat. Okay? So I have two pet cats at my house. One's name is Nelson, one's name is Sissy. Both are very friendly, very loving cats. So maybe you can help me to write the word cat. I want to label my picture with what this is. Okay, so thinking about the word cat, what sounds do you hear? What's the first sound you hear? K, k. What letters do we know make the k sound? The C and the K. Both the C and the K make the k sound. In this circumstance, we're going to start with the letter C. Okay? And I'm just going to write cat down here. K, C. I capitalized it. It touches the top line and the bottom line, but it doesn't go above or below. If it did, I'd erase it and redo it. Okay? So the first word is k, or the first letter is C. What makes the ah sound? K, ah, ah. That's right, it's A. Okay? And cat ends with a t, t. What letter makes the t sound? It's not a B. It's not an E. It's a T. Cat. Okay? C-A-T. Cat. Cat. That is how you write the word cat. All right? So what I want you to do is draw a picture of your pet, and when you're done, I want you to try and label it. All right? That is all you need to do for writing today. When you're done with the writing lesson for today, you're going to take a picture of it, send it to Mr. Paul on Class Dojo, and then I want you to pick up your letter practicing packet. I want you to write your name on the front of it, just like anywhere right here, so you can be in the habit of writing your name. And then you're going to open up to the very first page. Okay? All you need to do is follow the arrows and trace over the letters that you see on this page. All right? So starting right up here with A, getting inside my pencil box, I have my regular pencils. Open that up, take out a pencil. I've also got my handy dandy pencil grip that I'm going to slide on here so that I can hold my pencil in a comfortable way. And I'm going to start at the top, right over here with A. When you write the letter A, you start at the top of the letter, okay? And you go down this way. I'm doing it backwards here. Go down this way. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. Almost every capital letter starts at the top of the writing line and goes straight down and then comes back up to the top of the line, straight across, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. So just follow those numbers and lines and trace over every letter on the page, okay? This is just good practice for you. You do not need to take a picture and send it to me. If you would like to do an extra challenge, take an extra sheet of paper or just flip over to the back and practice writing your alphabet in capitals or lowercase on the back without tracing, doing it totally freehand. If you've got this, then do the extra challenge work and write it yourself, okay? After that, you're done with writing for today, and the next video will be a read aloud, and then you're done.